How to fix MT5 account disabled. Is your MT5 account suddenly disabled and you are locked out of your trades? Don't panic. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, try logging in again using the same credentials to rule out a temporary glitch. If you still see a disabled account message, head over to the broker's website you used with MT5 like Xness, IC Markets or any other. Log into your broker dashboard and check for notifications or account flags. Often, accounts are disabled due to inactivity, expired demo access, or verification issues. So, check your email inbox for any alerts or requests from your broker. If it's a KYC issue, re-upload your documents and wait for approval. If the issue is related to inactivity, some brokers allow reactivation by simply creating a new login or requesting reactivation via their support team. Always keep your broker account verified and active. Even demo accounts can expire after 30 days. Having trouble with the disabled MT5 account? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.